Click here to subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon to get regular updates of our videos.
Welcome to electricalworld360.com. In this video, we are going to solve the questions of electrical machines. So here you can see the question number 1. A transformer has maximum efficiency at full load when iron losses are 800 watts. Copper losses at half load will be what? The options are 1600 watts, 800 watts, 400 watts, 200 watts. So as we know, for maximum efficiency, copper losses equals to iron losses. That means I square R equals to the iron losses. So here you can see on the question, the iron losses are 800 watts. That means copper losses equals to 800 watts. And यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन पर पूछा है कि copper losses at half load will be what? So half load means I by 2. So then I by 2 whole square R equals to the answer. So we can write it like this way, 4 by I square R. So as we know, I square R means 800 watts and by 4. So answer will be 200 watts. So you can see here the option number D is the right answer. So this is the question number 2. Which DC motor is generally preferred for the cranes? DC series motor, DC shunt motor, commutatively compound motor, differentially compound motor. So as we know, cranes require high starting torque. For the higher starting torque requirements, DC series motors or 3-phase induction motors are used. Particularly for traction like railways application, DC series motor is used. So here you can see on the option number A, DC series motor is the right answer. And coming on the next question, synchronous phase modifier. Coming on the next question, a synchronous phase modifier as compared to synchronous motor used for mechanical load has option number A is larger shaft, higher speed. B is smaller shaft, higher speed. Larger shaft, smaller speed, and smaller shaft, smaller speed. So as we know, synchronous phase modifier is nothing but overexcited synchronous motor operating at loading power factor. Operating at leading power factor and used for the voltage control. This differs from a normal synchronous motor as it has no external load on shaft, due to which it has smaller shaft. Also, for no load, the motor can operate at highest speed. Hence, for synchronous phase modifier, the design consideration parameters are smaller shaft and higher speed. So here the option number B is right, smaller shaft and the higher speed. Coming on the next question again, for traction work, which motor is preferred? So as we know, for traction, DC series motor is used. Why DC series motor is used? Because DC series motor is used where the high starting torque is required. So you can see the question number 5. Which motor has widest variety for speed control? As we know, DC shunt motor has the best speed regulation. Like for variation in load, the speed changes is minimum. Hence, we can have a wide range of speed in the shunt motor applications. So, we should remember in this case what is the mathematical representation of speed regulation. In no load speed minus full load speed by again full load speed. This is important. This is an important formula for in this case. So right answer will be the question option number A, DC shunt motor. So again, coming on the next question. The transformer used for AC welding sets is booster type, step up type, step down type, and equal turn type. So in the electric welding transformer, the secondary side has low voltage and high current, typically 200 to 600 amperes. Because for electric welding, high current is required, hence the transformer required for the welding is step down type. So here the right answer is the option number C. So coming on the next question again. For battery charging, which of the following DC generators are used? DC series generator, DC shunt generator, short shunt compound generator, long shunt compound generator. So as we know, an application of DC shunt generators is to charge the batteries. So here the right answer is the option number B. DC shunt generator is used to charge the batteries. So coming to the next question. The no load speed of DC series motor is very small, medium, high or small. So as we know, it is clear that the speed of DC series motor at no load is very high. So it is never started at no load. So here option C is the right answer. Coming to the next question. Area of hysteresis loop represents the copper loss, eddy current loss, dielectric loss and the hysteresis loss. As we know, higher the area, higher the hysteresis loss. For air, the hysteresis curve is straight line and that's why the hysteresis loss is 0 for air core. So here the right answer is the D. That means the hysteresis loss. So question number 10 is interpoles are meant for increasing the speed of the motor, increasing the counter EMF, strengthening the main field, reducing sparking at the commutator. So for that we should know interpoles are used to reduce the effect of or the armature reaction and also to nullify the effect of induced EMF generator in the coil undergoing commutation. Due to this EMF, the sparking occurs and the interpoles help to reduce the sparking occurring at the commutator. So that's why here the right answer is the option number D.